Is that online deal too good to be true? Today, we're diving deep into Pullatic outlet to see if it's a legitimate goldmine or a potential scam. First up, let's investigate customer feedback. Head over to reputable review sites like Trustpilot, Citigabber, or even the Better Business Bureau. Look for recurring complaints about order fulfillment, product quality, or difficulty getting refunds. A pattern of negative reviews is a major red flag. Now, let's analyze their business practices. Where is Pullatic outlet based? A lack of clear contact information, a vague address, or a PO box instead of a physical address should raise suspicion. Also, check their shipping and return policies. Are they clearly stated and reasonable? Or do they seem intentionally confusing? Website security is paramount. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar, indicating an SSL certificate. This encrypts your data. Does the site use HTTPS? If not, your personal information could be at risk. Also, be wary of unusual payment methods. Legitimate businesses typically offer secure options like credit cards or PayPal, while scammers might push for wire transfers or gift cards. Finally, compare prices to other retailers. Drastically lower prices than established stores are a common lure used by scam sites. Research the average cost of the products they're selling elsewhere, and if Pullatic outlets' prices seem unbelievable, they probably are. So, before you click that buy button, do your homework. Scrutinize customer feedback, analyze business practices, and verify website security. Staying vigilant is your best defense against online shopping scams. Stay safe out there.